So guys, Beyblade is already and spinning so smoothly. It has a left spin attack type Beyblade, so those points are seriously attacking type, and it have a metal tip. It is from my Rock Leon, and that the green part is from my DRAGOON recolored version. See guys, spin so smoothly. Let's do some test spin and some test battle. So it's a left spinning Beyblade attack type. Let's do a test spin, then we will do some test battles. So I'm using my power launcher, and guys, it makes such a good what is called pattern while spinning because of the multi-killers. So, and it's left spin attack type, by the way. And if guys there are some background noises, because I'm sorry for that, as it's a Diwali season coming on and the kids in the neighborhood are just playing with the crackers and stuff. So yeah, sorry for that. Let's do some test battle. Bloody loginess. Let's do. Both are left spin, and the winner is Bloody Longiness. Next is Chozy Achilles. Okay. And that was a ring out finish. Let's see, is there any clicks? So no, there wasn't a click. So next is Big Bang Genesis from the GT with ignition driver. Okay, that was a draw. Next is Cyclone Ragnarok. So I guess Cyclone Ragnarok barely win. So next is Lucifer the Endo, Kou Drifto. It have a drift driver which have a good life after that. So just to tell that Lucifer the End is really great against the left spinning. Oh, that life after that driver, man. So let's see what happened to the Beyblade. Is there any sharp hits or not? Okay. See guys, these and this area are almost pretty much busted. So the last battle is between the perfect dynamite burial with S gear. Without L gear, I don't like L gear. So yeah. I found it, but I don't know what just happened. I guess it is a draw. I really don't know it is a draw or what, but I guess it was a draw. So yep, as I told you guys, this is a good Beyblade to make, but also at the same time it is not that much, I mean, worth it, because it's an OG Beyblade and now it's no chances for these Beyblade anymore. So yep, that was the video, and if you like it, I love this Beyblade because I love OG series. The Burst series also my favorite, but still I love the OG. The story combination is so good of the OG Beyblade. But anyways, so yep, that was the video guys, and I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.